Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Okay, so without further ado, let me delve straight into the charts. Alright guys, so if you're looking at euro dollar, okay, let me talk about the euro dollar. Today I'll be analyzing the euro dollar because I am looking for some kind of short position on the euro dollar actually. So let's start with the monthly time frame. Okay, so on the monthly time frame guys, if you are taking a look at the monthly time frame, we notice that the monthly candle just opened up, okay, and it's currently forming some kind of upper wick over here. Okay, so I believe that this bearish movement will continue heading down. And also, if you're looking directly at the monthly time frame guys, we notice that there is liquidity being swept right above here. Okay, that would be on the monthly time frame. We notice that liquidity have swept price, okay, over here, and have since rejected off that area. If we go to go down to the weekly time frame to take a look, we can see very clearly, okay, the bullish intent from October all the way to about January, followed by some bearish continuations and momentum coming into the market. All right, guys. So personally, for me, I believe that the euro dollar can continue heading down. Okay, I believe that you have room to continue heading lower. So if you're looking at the weekly time frame, we see price actually respecting this previous weekly high. Okay, that I have already marked out is respecting this previous weekly high. Okay, guys. So if we go down to the daily time frame to take a quick look, okay, we notice that price is still on a bearish trend, and my highlighted regions, the highlighted zones, okay, they are my lower highs and lower lows. So those areas are the swing highs and lows. Okay, you guys do take note of that. And currently, we see price still respecting this previous weekly high, which is a swing high, and therefore it is definitely, factually still on a bearish trend. Okay, if you want to look for confirmations for bullish trend, we would like to see some kind of break of structure to the upside for buy retracement before entering, right? So that'll be kind of like what we will be looking at. And if I were to go down to the 4 hours time frame, okay, price on this 4 hour time frame seems to be bullish in a sense that it's forming higher highs and higher lows if we're just looking at this specific area here. Okay, however, I believe that price have the ability to continue heading lower. All right, so as of right now, let me mark out a few important zones for you guys. So we see this demand zone over here where bullish momentum swept all the way up. Okay, that area here is an area that we will want to take note of. If we go down to screen to the 1 hour time frame, we're looking at the 1 hour time frame right now. We can really clearly see that this specific key demand zone that led to a bullish price movement to the upside will be an area that we'll be taking note of. All right, that will be an area we'll be taking note of. Okay, so if we actually go down to the 30 minutes time frame to take a look, okay, we see price rejecting of this area here. Okay, sorry, not that area, or rather I would add in the previous daily candle. Okay, we see price rejecting of this area here at 1.0664, around that area. Okay, we see price taking that out, and we see some bearish continuations happening into the market as of currently on the 30 minutes time frame. We see some very slow bearish price action coming down here. Okay, personally for me, I believe price will have to come up to grab some kind of liquidity, okay, before price makes a marked move to the downside. Okay, so I will be looking out for shorts as I've mentioned. Okay, so okay, if you're looking here directly here, there is obviously an internal demand zone over here. Okay, I'll mark that zone out. That is not like specifically the zone that I'm looking at for. So these two zones are these two important demand and supply zones that I believe price can react to. Okay, I will be looking for some possible setups as I've mentioned, remember that price doesn't have to clear this area here. Okay, it doesn't have to tap into this area. As of current price, we see that price have already swept liquidity right here. Let me mark it out for you to take a look. Okay, price have swept this liquidity over here. Okay, and is seemingly rejecting off that area. All right. So if you're on the 3 minute time frame, I believe that price can continue, continue its bullish momentum into the market. All right, and I believe that we could potentially see price hit up to, this specific area about 5 pips away, and I will be entering a short if confirmations are being met. All right, so I will want to wait to see price, a very clear change of character, over here, a very clear change of character that led to a break of structure, followed by more downside potential, and then I will enter it right above here or here. Okay, so that's essentially what I will be looking out for on the euro dollar. Okay, so if we go down to the 1 minute time frame, the small time frame, to take a look at possible entries. Okay, price is really rejected of this area here. I believe price would have potential to continue moving up first before I see some kind of rejection of that area. All right, so that would be the trade idea for today on the euro dollar. Okay, so do bear in mind and do keep in mind that this area here is an area that we would want to look at too. Essentially, any form of market change in character, we will be entering in a short position. All right, guys. Okay, so that will be it for me today, guys. Okay, and so this will be my my trade idea on the euro dollar. And do stay tuned and do to keep an eye out on this price action, because I believe that there is further downside potential coming into the euro dollar. All right, so I'll catch you guys again on next weekend. Okay, during the weekends or next Tuesday. Okay, and then do stay tuned, guys. Next week's NFP, and trade safe in the market, guys. All right, peace out. See you guys.